school day begins. Books and pens, friends and grins. In the halls we laugh and
Hello, Cece.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm happy today because today my math test is 98.
98%?
Yes.
Wow! Well done. I'm so proud of you.
And my English is 98 too.
Wow! That is fantastic news. I'm so happy. You deserve a big star. Well done. I am very, very proud of you. Have you got any more tests coming up?
No.
No? You're done with...
We only have the math and the English.
Alright. Wow, when you got 98% for both. That's fantastic. Well done to
And
you.
the Chinese test is our homework.
Oh, so you have to do the Chinese for homework?
Yes. This is my Chinese homework.
Alright.
Then I have a Chinese activity book.
Activity?
Yes, I need to write this one.
So, are you almost finished with your homework?
Yeah. I have a little.
A little. Alright, so I have a little bit of homework left. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do in our English today. We're going to listen to our Live Right song.
Live Right song.
Did you eat breakfast? Asked Mom. You don't look good to me. Did you get enough sleep? Asked Mom. Did you watch too much TV? Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Did you ride your bike? Asked Mom. You know it's good for you. Did you get any exercise? You know it's good to do. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Alright, so today we're going to review our structures. So, did he drink lots of water?
Yes, he did.
Good. Did she eat breakfast?
No, she didn't.
Alright, then our song is Live Right. Let's see if he or she is healthy. So let's click on a fish. Choose one. Which one do you want to choose? So, did she get enough sleep?
No, she didn't.
Good. Let's click on another one. Did she eat breakfast?
No, she didn't.
Good. Let's click on another one. Okay. Did he ride his bike?
Yes, he did. No, he didn't.
He didn't. No, he didn't. And let's click on another one. Okay, did he get any exercise?
Yes, he did.
Very good. Did she drink lots of water?
Yes, she did.
Good. And did he eat a healthy lunch?
No, he didn't.
Very good.
Did she ride her bike at Friday?
On Friday?
On Friday?
Yes, she did.
Did she have a healthy lunch?
Yes, she did.
Did she eat a big breakfast on Sunday?
Yes, she did. So that would mean that we found Tina. Now we need to look for Lucas. So is this going to be Lucas or is this going to be Lucas? So remember on Friday, Lucas didn't get enough sleep, he didn't eat breakfast, and he drank lots of water. So who is Lucas? So he didn't get enough sleep. There we go, very good. Alright, so let's listen to our song.
Live Right song.
Did you eat breakfast? Asked Mom. You don't look good to me. Did you get enough sleep? Asked Mom. Did you watch too much TV?
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Did you ride your bike? Asked Mom. You know it's good for you. Did you get any exercise? You know it's good to do.
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Alright, so who lives a healthy life in your family?
I eat breakfast every day.
So who lives a healthy life in your family?
My sister.
Okay, and what are her healthy eating habits? What are her
She
healthy
didn't
habits?
eat. She didn't eat bad food.
Okay, and what are her unhealthy habits?
Her didn't get up at the morning.
Alright, so she doesn't wake up in the morning?
Yes, but every day she sleep is very early. Then
Oh.
she at morning she don't wake up. She don't wake up. I don't know why.
Alright, so my sister goes to bed early.
My
we say?
sister go to bed early.
Goes to bed early,
Goes to bed early.
but battles to wake up in the morning.
But she
Battles
battles wake
to
up
wake up
in the morning.
Very good. What does Mom ask Zach?
Do you eat breakfast?
Okay. And does Zach look good?
You don't look good to me.
What is wrong with Zach?
Zach watch too much TV.
Very good. Alright. So let's read. What does it say? It's part of our song.
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Good. So what is good for Zach?
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy.
Very good. And who got enough sleep in your family? Who
My
got
sister and I.
Alright.
We go to bed at 9 o'clock p.m.
Alright, that's very early. Well done. Right. What? Okay, let's first read. Okay, so let's read. Did you ride your bike?
Did you ride your bike? Asked Mom. You know it's good for you. Did you get any exercise? You know it's good to do.
Now we're going to listen to the song and we are going to put in the correct word into the correct spaces. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, so let's move our words into the correct spaces.
Live Right song.
Did you eat breakfast? Asked Mom. You don't look good to me. Did you get enough sleep? Asked Mom. Did you watch too much TV?
Alright, very good. Then we're going to complete the lyrics again.
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Sleep. Live
Yay! Beautiful. Very good. Alright, again, let's complete the lyrics.
Did you ride your bike? Asked Mom. You know it's good for you. Did you get any exercise? You know it's good to do.
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Well done. Very good. Alright, so firstly we are going to listen to the lyrics, and then on our next slide you are going to sing it to me. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's first listen to it, then our next slide we are going to sing it.
Live Right song.
Did you eat breakfast? Asked Mom. You don't look good to me. Did you get enough sleep? Asked Mom. Did you watch too much TV?
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Did you ride your bike? Asked Mom. You know it's good for you. Did you get any exercise? You know it's good to do.
Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right. Enough sleep, good food, be healthy, live right.
Live right.
Yay! Lovely, well done. Alright, so to summarize our lesson today, we done some structures. So did he drink lots of water?
Yes, he did.
Did she eat breakfast?
No, she didn't.
Very good. And then we done our song, Live Right. Alright, so you must now go and finish your Chinese homework. Are you almost done with it?
No, I have a little.
You still have a little to do?
I need to write this, and this, and there.
Oh my!
But it's very early. But I can. It's good for my study, so I like to do it.
Yay! Beautiful. And it makes you get 98% for your tests. So homework does help. Alright. So you go and finish your Chinese homework. And again, very, very well done on your tests that you done. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, teacher.
Alright, and then I will see you next time again. So have a lovely evening and sleep tight. See you soon. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Cece. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, teachers, we love you.